Okay, Jimmy's hooked up here.
Jimmy, come on.
Go ahead, James. Moby Dick.
That's a venereal disease.
Come on, man, reel him in. I'm running out of disc. Fighting pretty good, Jim.
Yeah, because it's not even turning that. Wow.
Come on, Holmes. You got size. He got size on.
I got girth.
Nice
Jimmy.
one. Nice one, Jim.
Oh, I got you.
Oh, man. Not yet.
All right.
Holy hell.
Good job, Jim.
Woo.
That's a baby.
That's a small one, he said.
What is it? What is it, though?
It's like... Holy shit. PT my ass.
You won't get out.
Here, you need a Gerber? Oh, alright.
All right, Jim. Good job.
All right, man. One of you guys are going to do the next one.
Let's see how it's done first, Jimmy.